convert me into a independent and issue me a symbol which he asked for was shuttlecock. That was in the symbols for the pool for independence, but that was taken, so he was allotted tower.
I asked you shuttlecock because the symbol of Nazariyati was what?
Symbol of Naziyati was batsman, my
Batsman.
lord. Ji.
Independent.
My lord, have I answered my lord's query? Ji? Grateful, my lord.
And in the statutory declaration, it is further stated, which we have read so many times, that the affiliation certificate is attached herewith. So this was attached or not? Nazariyati.
My lord, वो जो हमारे record में जो attached आ रहा है वो PTI का है. My lord, I have filed as received. I may submit for Mr. Justice.
ये देखें जी, जो ऑर्डर है ये एनेक्स सी, जो इस पे टैब सी है, ये ऑर्डर जो है ये रिटर्निंग ऑफिसर साहब का ऑर्डर है 30 दिसंबर 23 का.
बिल्कुल सर.
जब एक दफा पार्टी इसके नॉमिनेशन पेपर्स एक्सेप्ट हो गए
जी सर,
तो उसके बाद ये सेकंड इसके बाद ये 14 दिन के बाद की बात है. 1 दिन दिसंबर का
बिल्कुल
और 13 दिन जनवरी के.
My lord.
उसके बाद ये नॉमिनेशन पार्टी कैंडिडेट जो है ये नजरियाती का आया है.
That's right.
तो इससे कोई इसके बाद एक्सेप्ट करने के बाद इनको कोई नोटिस इशू करा गया था?
My lord, may I answer this? My lord,
इनके पेपर एक्सेप्ट नहीं हुए या इसमें कोई लिखना है?
नहीं, my lord, इनके papers. My lord, again, I will go back for my lord. Response to my lord's query, I'll go back to the point I made or the submission I made earlier, is that my lord, wo jo election, I go back to the election program. The election program and the Elections Act allows the election program and the Election Act envisages that the final date for submission of party affiliation certificate is not, and I'll show some more forms to my lord where उन्होंने लिखा होता है साथ, as I had submitted, sir, that party affiliation certificate shall be submitted at the time of application for allotment of symbol. The law recognizes this, my lord, because section 67 says
at the time of acceptance of nomination paper, I don't think that they mention the affiliation of party in the order.
Declaration.
My lord, my lord, मैं कह रहा हूँ कि that's not a matter to be checked at that time.
आप इस तरह कहिए ना सिकंदर के 62, 63 के जो टेस्ट है उसको पास करने के लिए ऑर्डर होता है कि नॉमिनेशन पेपर्स आर एक्सेप्टेड.
बिल्कुल my lord, I am grateful for that,
and it has nothing to do.
60 and
वो
61
basically देख रहे होते हैं कि आप disqualified तो नहीं है.
It has nothing to do with the symbol.
Yes, the symbol is
At that
is a separate and subsequent exercise which the law envisages. The last date for that was 13A.
It is clear.
यानी जो डिक्लेरेशन है, डिक्लेरेशन उनको 24 तारीख जो लास्ट डेट है अपने सबमिशन पेपर में डिक्लेरेशन लाजमी लिख देना चाहिए. उस डिक्लेरेशन के मुताबिक सर्टिफिकेट बेशक सिंबल लेने से पहले हो, लेकिन डिक्लेरेशन पहले होनी चाहिए.
बिल्कुल.
सपोज अगर पार्टी ए की तरफ से डिक्लेरेशन है तो पार्टी ए की सर्टिफिकेट एट द टाइम ऑफ इश्यूएंस सिंबल दिखाना होगा.
Sir, I think what my lord is saying, I'm also, I won't use the word page, but ये
इसमें इन साहब
bow to my lords.
इन साहब ने तो लिखा है, सुनिए था.
और आगे सर देखिए सर, इसमें with utmost respect, and I think the best thing is what for me as counsel is what Mr. Justice Mansoor Ali Shah said, that I leave it for the bench now to interpret.
We're clear on the legal question.
There are every document in this sequence, with utmost respect of Mr. Hamid Raza, contradicts the previous one.
ये आपका स्टैंड क्या है? देखिए इसमें इन्होंने लिखा है सुनिए थे आप.
सर मेरा स्टैंड
आप क्या इनको सुनिए थे का सर्टिफिकेट देना चाहिए था
इंडिपेंडेंट
या अलायंस का देना चाहिए?
This is a hypothetical question, but I'll answer it. In my personal view, sir, it was, if he wished, I'll couch it like this, that if he wished to contest as SIC, he should have just said SIC and given his own ticket, which is what I submitted, that if all he had to do instead of these 3 somersaults was he wrote SIC, वो आगे PTI alliance लिखा हुआ है, that could be read as not applicable.
Even if it is alliance,
it
then
didn't
the
exist.
Declaration should have mentioned that he is the PTI candidate rather than
independent.
The 66 declaration should have been consistent with that, with the ticket.
You have understood your point. It's for us to interpret.
Thank you, my lord. It's for my lord. My
Just
lord,
one quick factual position, because I kept looking at the record. Could you just tell me what page would the decision of ECP dated 22nd of
my
December?
lord, it is not. It seems
It's
मैं
nowhere
मैं
anywhere.
अब्दुल्ला से भी पूछ रहा था कि है कि नहीं, वो मैंने dates कल लिखी थी, but
नहीं भी
यहाँ
नहीं
पे
record।
मेरे ख्याल में नहीं है. But when I sit down, I have a feeling it's somewhere, but not in my papers.
As long as you tell us where it is.
I will dig it out and I'll give the page to the court associate.
Thank
sir.
you. You can maybe
But
see.
that's a fair. I actually was looking for it yesterday. I kind of gave up. My lord, I'll quickly go back to my first legal submission, which was regarding the tickets of PTI.
Point three.
Three in a way, sir. So I gave the dates in response to one of the queries. ECP decision came on 22nd. 10-1 Peshawar High Court, 13-1 the Honorable the Supreme Court. My submission is, my lord, that between the 14th of January until the 7th of February, the day basically until midnight of the 7th, on the eve of the 8th, which was the polling day, the PTI, again, there was no bar on it, and in fact, I was in those hearings, it was encouraged to basically comply with section 208 and 209 of the Elections Act, and to conduct and notify its intra-party election to the Election Commission of Pakistan. Again, had this been done right until the 7th even,
What difference would it make?
then they could have contested, my lord, on their own.
How could they?
How would they have? आपका अपना schedule पे defeat हो जाता सारा, because they would be behind on everything.
They
You would have made an exception here again.
मैं अपना देखें, the schedule, the election schedule started. Let's go back to the election schedule, my lord.
20th December. It is 20th December.
So, as a special, देखिए, I am just making a
As a
submission that
special under which power?
जी.
As a special concession under which power you would have to
Lord,
resort to section 240.
2183 read with
Sikandar, that's a-
4 and 9.
That's a tough one. I mean, that's a tough
ठीक है
one.
जी, my lord will
That's a
take,
difficult
but
one.
my lord, as counsel I'm
Because
making.
you're unrolling a lot of things which factually could not have been unrolled had they
I am
gone
so
ahead with
happy
it.
that the bench is saying all of this to me, because I'm happy to hear all of this, that
आपके
no
पास-
special
पास
exemptions,
एक direct
2183 doesn't apply.
दोनों आपके पास एक डायरेक्ट पावर शायद होता 240 का, वो जो उस वक्त तो आपने इस्तेमाल किया
Fair
नहीं।
enough, sir.
उस वक्त आपको
I gave my submission. I bow to my lord's observations.
Sikandar,
Sir.
but why have you taken the date of 13th of January to the 7th of February? The matter of election was pending with the Election Commission of Pakistan years before.
My lord,
And
they were
years before.
2-3 years before.
Years before PTI had said, give us more time, give us more time. So this is the end result of a consequence. But the date was much earlier in time. So don't attribute or blame to the Supreme Court.
No, my lord, that
Make
was,
that the starting
that was
point.
not my. मैंने तो my lord ECP से शुरू किया, and I did
नहीं,
not.
उससे पहले कानून कहता है इलेक्शन
Fair
करा
enough.
लें।
My lord, I was counsel in that case myself.
तो वो
Several
डेट
years-
शुरू हो रही है, देखिए डेट ये तो वो एग्जॉशन पे आ गए ना। डेट
I was just dealing with
ये
the
तो
exhaustion
या
period.
तो आप कह रहे हैं वो क्या होता है आजकल फुटबॉल चल रही तो एक्स्ट्रा टाइम में चले गए, या एक्स्ट्रा टाइम के बाद और भी टाइम होता है ना, वो
This was an
इंजरी
extra
टाइम
time,
में चले गए।
and I was duly corrected in a sense by the bench.
The original game was the 90-minute
First
game
90 minutes पहले के थे।
वो आपको करना था एक सर्टेन मुद्दत में, वो था असल चीज।
I bow to my
But the
lord.
less time you spend on point 3, the
चलें
better.
आगे
I'm
बढ़ते
moving.
हैं।
That's why I'm seeking to move rapidly to my last
मिस्टर
point.
काउंसिल देखिए वो तो इलेक्शन हो गए थे, वो इलेक्शन इंट्रा पार्टी उन्होंने कर लिए थे। सवाल ये था कि whether they came up, whether they lawful or not. That point you said no, One consequence you said not entitled to election symbol. But सवाल ये था कि election जायज हुए या नहीं हुए, जायज से मुराद legally हुए
with compliant with